everyone, this is Vidushi.
And this is Rashi.
Welcome to our podcast Discuss. So today we are going to talk about music, the love of our lives.
After food, this is the second thing.
Yeah.
Both of us like the most, I guess.
Yeah, we are both committed to food and music. Okay, so talking about music. तो पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि म्यूज़िक आपकी लाइफ में क्या सिग्निफिकेंस होल्ड करता है.
Music is like life only. If whatever we are doing, we are listening to music, right? Be it on a speaker or be it inside our head. Music is always going on. You know that meme where it says, I don't know on which tab in my brain the music is playing?
Yeah.
That one?
You're
Yeah,
always
that's
singing.
like an actual thing. We are always singing. Either we are singing or we are listening to a song, and it's like constantly everywhere in our life. So music is basically
Yeah, you're
life.
always humming random songs.
Yeah.
And talking about music.
It's so fun now. It's a good distraction, right? If you want to put your heart into it, you can put your heart into it. If you just want to listen casually, you can do that too. So I think it's a pretty good distraction as well as a good thing you can love.
Yeah, I
You can
feel
be
like-
passionate about.
I feel like music is something, which is just so natural. It feels like a gift from nature to us. चाहे हम इंडस्ट्री म्यूजिक की बात ना भी करें, जस्ट आप नेचर में जाओगे, you'll hear thousands of birds,
Right.
you'll hear thousands
I
of
mean-
melodies. So it's not just humans who are into music. There's also like
Birds
these
into
birds,
music, animals
yeah.
into music.
Yeah, which is so wonderful in my opinion. Something about music just rejuvenates you. And you're talking about it's a good distraction, but for me, some type of music also helps me focus. When I'm writing long essays and I'm tired and I have no motivation, I just play calm music by my side. And I am able to work at least 2 to 3 hours with that music. So that music also acts as my motivation basically. So I feel like in both of our lives, music is a very significant part of, it's a part and parcel of our life. So talking further about music, what kind of music are you into?
You should go first. What music are you into, Vidushi?
Alright, I'll go first. I feel like music for me, genre does not matter as much. It's just like if we vibe, we vibe.
Right. It's the vibe.
Yeah.
The genre doesn't matter, the language doesn't matter, the beat doesn't matter. You have to vibe. Be it like vibing to a slow lo-fi song or vibing to a hard rock song.
Or like NCT.
Right. That's because it's a vibe.
Yeah, be it heavy metal or be it like retro music. It's all about what I'm feeling at
what
that
you
time.
resonate with.
Like सुबह के time पे, there's a different kind of mood. Maybe I'm feeling like I should listen to devotional songs. I listen to devotional songs. And in the midst of the day, maybe I'm feeling energetic. So I'll listen to pumpy songs. But शाम को आते आते I'm like, I have to do my homework also and it's getting...
You want to just listen to some slow songs.
Yeah.
Right?
So I turn on old Hindi classics or like ghazals.
Right.
They really help me sleep. Or if you are on a long drive and maybe...
The travel music.
Yeah,
My God.
it's
That's
like-
like the heart of your trip, the
Yeah.
heart of traveling is the travel music.
It's so lovely, like you're listening to kites music, Zindagi Do Pal Ki. It's so sweet. There's this euphoric feeling you get when you listen to such music, and you're like, this is the fun in living. This is why I am alive.
Right.
So it's not about the language. Sometimes lyrics do matter, but I feel like for me,
They matter less.
yeah, I mean they do matter. If there's good lyrics to the song, it will automatically
Connect us to the song,
yeah, it will automatically jump up a level for me, but it's not like कि मेरे को सुनते ही समझ में आनी चाहिए. For example, if I'm listening to a different song in a different language, let's take Fake Love for example. I'm listening to Fake Love. I don't know the lyrics, but I did search it up on the internet. The beats are fire. Okay, I'm enjoying it. But then I learned what they're trying to say with their music. And that makes it so much personal. It makes it matter so much more to me. Yeah, I get what you're talking about. I resonate with it so much. personal experiences and all that stuff, you know, it makes the song more relatable to you. It makes it more human, you know, in a way. So what about you now?
I told you I also vibe with music. Lyrics are also important. I feel there are some times where I want to just listen to a song, have fun, but there are also times where I want to listen to the song and feel it. Yeah, so as I was saying, the time, what I'm feeling at the moment also matters when I'm listening to music. If I'm happy, I listen to happy music. If I'm sad, I listen to, something which resonates with me, which makes me think like I'm not the only one who's sad. There are people who understand me, that type of thing. However, I have a different theory and it's going to be so funny. I think it's funny. I don't know about anybody else. So, the theory is if you're sad, if you're happy, you listen to happy music to remain happy. If you're sad, you should still listen to happy music so you are no longer sad. Why would someone listen to sad music when they're
Like,
sad?
you know, I have a rebuttal which is kind of weird, kind of stupid. It's the same thing, you know. It's like heartbroken people listening to heartbreak wale songs. Na?
Huh.
You want to feel the feelings, maybe.
No, but
maybe you like the
actually,
pain.
I mean,
Maybe you like
okay,
the
now
pain.
that's a different angle, but but usually I try to listen to like happy puppy songs because I don't like being sad. And so
Okay.
I always like, if I'm sad, why would I listen to sad songs? Why make yourself sadder? Come out of it,
This idiot.
Be happy. I don't know.
This idiot writer listens to the most depressing songs. It doesn't even matter if I'm happy or sad. You know, sometimes you just want to feel the feeling, you know. Even if I'm not sad, maybe I want to know the pain, what it feels like, you know. I don't know, maybe I like the torture.
Oh my god. Why am I Okay, so you like pain and torture.
Yeah.
I get it.
That's why I like the
You
horror.
don't like me.
But the main point is, like, for every ghazal out there, there's also a pungi, you know. It's all about the mood. you know, I feel like what na brain rot songs, yeah, sometimes they're also very fun to listen
right.
to.
I know Tony Kakkar like he's the biggest brain rot. and I mean
You're like,
everyone has danced to Dheeme Dheeme and that was the song, right?
Yeah, but the true gem is like number like 9.
9-7. Oh my! I have
Don't
done that
take
so
a
many
dumb song.
times. Like, if anybody, even for submitting something, like the students are writing the phone numbers for something, some task the teacher has
Yeah.
given, and they'll be like, "What's your phone number?" I'll go 98971.
उसके आगे
And they are going to write that, and then फिर and I've done it so many times. It's always fun. I don't know, yaar.
Peak
Maybe I
brain
am the
rot.
dumb one.
You need such songs in life, you know.
Like, seriously.
बंगले के नीचे ताला घुसो का
लैला की खिड़की खुली है.
खिड़की के बाहर है नाला.
ये क्या है? I think we are doing something wrong here, but
No, there was something
खिड़की के
related
नीचे
to
नाला.
नीचे नाला.
Right.
तो अभी तक हमने क्या बात करी? We talked about the songs we like, you know, music हमारे लिए क्या
क्या
significance
significance है.
hold करता है.
Right.
And about music also, आपके लिए you know, when did you know कि ऐसा कोई time period आया था आपके लिए जिसमें music helped you a lot to get through something?
I think music has been really close to me since I was small. I think music is with everybody since we are born, right? But I think music has helped me the most during the lockdown, I think
Exactly.
lockdown is the darkest period ever, but also like a little helpful because that was the time when I was like so insecure. I was like, I don't know, I don't like the me at that time, but after the lockdown, I think I have gotten very much confident and
Brutal.
brutal. Right. I mean, I would never tell anyone no to their face before lockdown.
You
And
learn
now,
how to say
yeah.
no. You
Now
become bolder.
nobody can make me do something I don't want to do. So there are many changes, and through that, music has held my hand. And it was not only music but the community to me. Like, right. Where I learned, right, the meanings behind the songs, like, and even the community, they respect each other, they love each other.
We talk
Everyone
about the
is-
same things. We go gaga over the same things. It's very fun.
The fandoms now, I think that's the most fun part. People are really nice there, and people are also
music also builds a community, and I think
Right.
that's a great point.
right.
That's a great
The
point.
community music builds, because since you're listening to the same thing, right, half of your views are like same. You have similar point of views, and it really helps you. I think it really helps you.
I feel like अगर आप किसी isolation के through भी जा रहे हो ना, if you're listening to music with someone, it's like music भी आपका साथी है, and
The person listening with you, right?
so for me ना, अगर मम्मी घर पे नहीं होती थी ना, like मैं रेडियो ऑन कर लेती थी, because there would be someone talking to you and there'd be music playing ना, so
Right.
मेरी जो loneliness है ना, I didn't feel alone कि मैं अकेली थी.
Radio is such a good experience. I really love radios, but they ask you to connect the earplugs all the time, and I don't use earplugs.
हमारे
But otherwise, I mean, I would love to listen to radio. Even but the radio helps you connect with different genres. I mean, there are
you discover new songs.
Right, exactly. Before lockdown, when I used to travel to school in the bus, there used to be like always radio playing. So I used to know each and every song in trends, or which was released latest, or things like that. Now I'm a little out of the loop, since I can't listen to radio as much, and we are all moving towards the mobiles and Spotify and YouTube. But I think radio is a really great experience for music listeners.
हमारे पास एक्चुअली वो होता था, स्टेरियो वाला रेडियो होता है ना,
I know,
We
I know,
had
I
that
know.
one. तो या हमारे पास ना वो कैसेट्स भी होती थी, और मैं उसकी ना फिल्म निकाल देती थी एज अ चाइल्ड, बिकॉज दैट वाज जस्ट सो फन. उसमें ना
Pencil डाल
क्या?
के. I know. I've not seen cassettes in real life, but I've seen them on television
I've
and
seen
things.
cassettes. They're part of my childhood, I think. Whenever I look back at those memories, now I feel fond of it. So I feel like in both of our lives,
Music plays a really, really significant role. It is very important for both of us, I think.
and I think, we should end this episode on this note where we both feel inspired by music, and we are thanking music for the contribution it has made in our
In our
lives.
lives, yeah.
So I guess this is our goodbye. See you guys later.
All right, this is it. See you in the next episode.
Bye.